all. Now I am going to discuss question number 36 from the GATE 2021 paper Electrical Engineering. The question is, suppose IA, IB, IC are a set of unbalanced current phasors in a three-phase system. The phase B zero sequence current IB0 is equal to 0.1 at an angle 0 degrees per unit if phase A current IA is equal to 1.1 at an angle 0 degrees and phase C current IC is equal to 1 at an angle 120 degrees plus 0.1, then IB in per unit is. These are the given options. To know the detailed modeling of the symmetrical component analysis, audience can go through the given NPTEL video lecture. Let us have quick recap on symmetrical components. To determine the relation between unbalanced phasors and balanced phasors, we can use symmetrical components. Here, IA0, IA1, IA2 are a set of balanced phasors and IA, IB, IC are set of unbalanced phasors. And the matrix which is governing here is the relation between balanced phasors and unbalanced phasors. And A is the rotational operator which is given by 1 at an angle 120 degrees. Let us solve the problem. Given data. Given it is IA is equal to 1.1 at an angle 0 degrees, IB0 is equal to 0.1 at an angle 0 degrees and IC is equal to 1 at an angle 120 degrees plus 0.1. All these are in per unit and we need to find out the IB which is unbalanced phasor. So, from the given matrix, IA0 is equal to 1 by 3 IA plus IB plus IC. As we know that all zero sequence component currents are equal. Since zero sequence components are equal, so IA0 is equal to IB0 is equal to IC0. This is equation 2. This is equation 1. So, we can substitute instead of IA0, IB0, right? So, substitute equation 2 in equation 1. If we substitute equation 2 in equation 1, if we substitute equation 2 in equation 1, we can have IB0 is equal to 1 by 3 into IA plus IB plus IC. Now we need to substitute the values. In the question it is given that IB0 is equal to 0.1 at an angle 0 degrees equal to IA given it is 1.1 at an angle 0 degrees. IB we have to find, we don't know, plus IC it is given that 1 at an angle 120 degrees plus 0.1. If we simplify this expression, that is 0.3 is equal to 1.2 plus IB plus 1 at an angle 120 degrees. So, minus 0.9 is equal to IB plus 1 at an angle 120 degrees. So, IB is minus 0.9 minus 1 at an angle 120 degrees. Since it is not there in the option, we need to convert furthermore. Minus 0.9 we can write it as plus 0.1 minus 1 and minus 1 at an angle of 120 degrees. So, IB is equal to 0.1 minus of 1 plus 1 at an angle 120 degrees. It is looking like 1 plus A, right? And we know that 1 plus A square is equal to 0. So, A square is equal to minus of 1 plus A. So, A square means 1 at an angle of minus 240. Plus 240. So, 1 at an angle of minus 120 degrees. So, IB is equal to 0.1 plus 1 at an angle of minus 120 degrees. So, option D is the correct answer, that is 0.1 at an angle 0 degrees plus 1 at an angle minus 120 degrees. Thank you.